We've been using this creatine by HTN long enough that we can now make a review for it. What's important to my wife is that it's gluten-free. It's also soy-free and non-GMO. But what's important to me are right here. Third-party tested. There's actually 3 different companies that will test this. And then also CGMP, that's good manufacturing practices. I just want to make sure it's gone through all the standardized testing and make sure it's safe and it's clean. What's also good is this micronized pure powder thing. Let me just show it to you in action. If you look at 2 different creatines next to each other, one micronized and one not, you'll notice that the micronized one is just like a lot more like just more refined, like a very, very, very small crystal. Why that's good is it's not a big deal for me, but like my wife, she's a little bit more sensitive in the GI tract area. So if you have the non-micronized, it can sometimes upset your stomach, especially if you're taking, more than 5 grams, 5,000 milligrams. Like if you're doing 10 or 15 or 20 in a day, it can really, this can really help because it's just, it's more soluble and it's just easier on the stomach. All right, so this is about 8 ounces of orange juice. I'm gonna take this in the morning and then I'll do some gummies at night. I've been doing creatine again, cheers, for about 6 months. Used to do this in high school and stuff. You can see there in the bottom, like there's no crystals, or there's very, very little left in the bottom. That's just foam from the orange juice. Yeah, so I'm happy with it. Creatine is gonna be great for your muscle recovery, also muscle gain, all that stuff. But there's even lots of studies that show brain health and other things. You should do your own research, but we started taking it for all those reasons, mostly the brain. So the first 5,000 grams seem to go to your body. After that, the next 5,000 grams will go to the brain and beyond. So anyway, look into it. It's really great. This is a good brand, again, because of all that extra testing. What else can I tell you? Well, there's 100 servings. It's unflavored. And again, I'm really, really happy with it. I reached out to the company. This was sent to me by the company for a review. I did not pay for it. I asked them for it because I wanted it. I really wanted to try their brand and this Micronized especially. Very pleased with it. Would absolutely buy this again. In fact, I will buy this again. All right, hope that helps. Take care.